How to run the System Maintenance Troubleshooter in Windows. If you don't run the Windows Troubleshooter, underlying system issues may go undetected, leading to degraded performance or persistent errors. Over time, these unresolved problems can severely impact your user experience. In this video, we'll briefly discuss how to run the System Maintenance Troubleshooter in Windows. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to open the Windows System Maintenance Troubleshooter. Regular system maintenance plays a key role in extending your computer's lifespan and keeping it running efficiently. Before we begin running the troubleshooter, here's how to find and open it on your device. Option 1. Through Control Panel. Open the Control Panel and switch to the Icons view. Click on Troubleshooting. In the left-hand menu, select View All. Locate and launch the System Maintenance Troubleshooter from the list. Option 2. Through the command prompt. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog box. Type the following and click OK. msdt.exe-id Maintenance Diagnostic. This will automatically launch the System Maintenance Troubleshooter. How to run the Windows System Maintenance Troubleshooter. In this chapter, we'll show you how to run the System Maintenance Troubleshooter with a standard user account as well as an administrator's account. Both standard and admin users can access the full report, but administrators may receive more detailed insights based on system-level diagnostics. Option 1. As a standard user. In the System Maintenance window, click Advanced. Uncheck Apply Repairs Automatically, then click Next to begin the troubleshooting process. Once the scan completes, follow any suggested steps to address the issues found. Click View Detailed Information to review the full report. Option 2. As an administrator. In the System Maintenance window, click Advanced. Select Run as Administrator. This will restart the troubleshooter with elevated permissions. Click Advanced again. Uncheck Apply Repairs Automatically, then click Next to start the scan. Review and resolve any issues identified during the process. When finished, select View Detailed Information to see the complete troubleshooting report. Running the Windows Troubleshooter helps identify and resolve issues early, ensuring your system stays stable, secure, and fully functional. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to run the System Maintenance Troubleshooter in Windows, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.